नई शिक्षा नीति लागू होने के बाद लगातार अब शिक्षा संस्थाओं में इस बात का प्रयास किया जा रहा है कि हम बेहतर शिक्षा का माहौल देने के साथ नई तकनीक के सहारे आगे बढ़ने का काम करें। इन्हीं उद्देश्य को लेकर लगातार शहर के स्कूलों में टीचर ट्रेनिंग कार्यक्रम आयोजित कराए जा रहे हैं। मुरादाबाद शहर के सिविल लाइन स्थित बोनी यानी पब्लिक स्कूल में सीबीएसई सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस देहरादून द्वारा 2 दिवसीय अंग्रेजी कार्यशाला का आयोजन हुआ। 2 दिवसीय कार्यशाला के समापन के अवसर पर प्रधानाचार्य सुनीता भटनागर द्वारा शुभारंभ किया गया। सभी शिक्षकों को बधाई दी गई और कहा गया कि हम सबका उद्देश्य ही होना चाहिए कि हम सब मिलजुल कर नई तकनीक के साथ आगे बढ़ें। इस कार्यशाला में मुख्य वक्ता के रूप में डॉक्टर प्रशांत कुमार ने सभी शिक्षकों को ये जानकारी दी कि हम कैसे एक अच्छे तालमेल के साथ शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़ें, जो कमियां हैं उनका हम कैसे सुधार करें। कार्यशाला के दौरान कई एक्टिविटीज भी शिक्षकों के साथ मिलकर कराई गई, जिसका उद्देश्य ये था कि जो कमियां हैं उनके सुधार होने चाहिए।
Another question that would you like to highlight because I am forgetting actually. So rating 5 or 4 rating question. Is there any question which has 5 rating? 5 rating question? No. Is there any question which has 4 rating? Yes, please.
The question was the lesson that readers can learn from the poem The Tale of Custard Dragon is appearance can be deceiving. Second option, always trust your instinct. Third, dragons are misunderstood creatures. D, friendship conquers all fears. Though it is direct question, but the distractions are very strong. That's why we are giving 4 marks.
So these were some questions which were framed by you, and collaboratively we assessed and evaluated these questions, and we were rated accordingly. So this was very well organized, coordinated, collaboratively done task. So clapping for all of you.
सिटी चैनल संवाददाता को जानकारी देते हुए प्रधानाचार्य सुनीता भटनागर ने जानकारी दी और कहा कि आज विद्यालय में 2 दिवसीय टीचर ट्रेनिंग कार्यशाला आयोजित कराई गई है, जिसमें शहर मुरादाबाद के स्कूलों के शिक्षकों ने इसमें भाग लिया। कई संदेश शिक्षकों को मिले हैं और शिक्षकों ने अपनी कुछ बातों को पूछने का कार्य किया है। उद्देश्य है कि हम नई शिक्षा नीति के साथ आगे बढ़ें और विद्यार्थी और शिक्षक के बीच एक बेहतर तालमेल हो।
Today at Bonnian Public School, we have the second day going on for the teachers training that is being conducted by CBSE COE, Dehradun region. And this is on capacity building evaluation which is there for the teachers. And this is limited to English subject for the secondary level. And teachers from different schools of Moradabad and outside Moradabad, 37 of them have assembled here to participate, and under the able guidance and leadership of Dr. Prashant Kumar, we are having the second day now, and teachers are responding very well. A lot of information and content is there for them to take away with them, specifically the MCQs which have been added up to the question papers. That assessment is a little typical for the teachers to frame the question papers based on MCQs. And this is what the main the main topic that has been given out for the workshop is being taken up today. Yes, the teachers who are getting out the information about this here today, they will be going back to their own schools and in their own department of English, they will be sharing it with the other teachers also. And I am sure not only just for secondary level, but below that also, those teachers also will be able to gain a lot from them, because MCQs are found a little difficult sometimes by the teachers. So it will be a good guidance for every school, and we were looking forward to this, and the resource person has really done justice to it.